We are like your parents. We are like your elder brothers, elder sisters. There is no conflict of interest between you and me. We both have only one goal, that is, you have to achieve your goal. You have paid to us. It is our duty to deliver the service to you to help you to reach the goal. But remember, we are the trainers only. Ultimately, the horse has to run. So you have to put in your efforts. First semester is certainly confusing semester, because you have different stream of students, engineers, non-engineers. There will be many subjects for the engineers which will be new. And 11th there was science, 12th there was science, 4 years there are science. If we talk about finance management, probably they will not understand. If we talk about cost accounting, probably they will not understand. Similarly, when you go to commerce, there are some subjects, say quantitative technique, you will not understand. So this deficiency in knowledge is bound to be there. So we will try to equip you for that. Now, to equip you, again I told you 3 questions. When the faculty start teaching, you should clearly ask questions to understand why I am learning this subject. The next is how I am going to apply it. Now this clarity you get from 2 sources. One, from the faculty. 2, from deep reading of the textbook which we are going to give you, and reading lot of professional magazines, YouTube, every knowledge is there in this YouTube. Please don't think that we are perfectionists, or please don't trust us to give you 100% knowledge. What we are going to give you will be around 25 to 30%. Rest of the 70% you have to find on your own. Say, for example, marketing. Now, marketing in Tatas are different. Tata company, Tata project is different. Tata communication is different. Tata technology is different. There are a lot of differences in every company. Marketing in Pepsi is different. Every company is having its own practices. Now these practices can't be taught in the class. No time. So the knowledge is spread in the websites and you have to study that. You all know that you want to get the highest salary. You want to work for it also. But it don't happen. Why? Diversions. You get groups who spend their time in very unproductive ways. Please give holiday to all those things for this 1.5 years. It is a conversion period, 10,000 to 50,000 feet. So it will be painful and you have to make extraordinary efforts. That's what I want. don't think हमको ये पढ़ाया नहीं है. Paper setter, there will be separate test. There is going to be separate test. And every minute you will be evaluated. Marketing practical was one such test. You know, there's a story. 100 people wanted, they went to Guruji. The Guruji said, in so-and-so place, in the top of the hill, there's a God. You reach there and ask whatever you want, you get. So this 100 people start the journey, 1,000 people start the journey towards that top hill. As they move, they saw a big forest they have to cross. Very thick forest. Animals are there. They will eat you also. So out of the 1,000, 500 people said, "अरे ऐसा जाएगा इधर रोड भी ठीक नहीं है, हाथी आ सकता है, टाइगर आ सकता है, खा सकता है हमको." What happened when that situation came? 500 people said, "मारो गोली है, जाना तो जाना है." पहला चैलेंज में गया. So 500 people crossed that forest. As they crossed the forest, they saw a big rushes of river going. जैसा पटना में गंगा होता है, बहुत साइज. Now you have to swim to go to the other side. Many people thought, अरे कैसा स्विमिंग करेगा, पानी लेकर चलेगा तो अब तो मर जाएगा. 200 people stopped there. मारो हो गया, वापस चले. So 200 people start swimming. They reach the other shore. Then they reach the hill. Then to reach that, it is very straight you have to climb. You will skip, you will fall. Many tried it, they said, "I can't do this." Finally 50 people reached to the God. Pyramid. Now that 50 people asked whatever they want, the God gave them. Now this I am seeing in every group every year. Some people reach the top, some people are in the bottom, for which they themselves are responsible. See, corporate journey is not easy journey. It's a very tough journey. फिल्म में आप लोग जो प्रोफेशनल को देखते हैं, बिपाशा बासु, कोर्ट, सूट, क्लियर कमीशन ऑफिस, और पैसा कुछ ही होता है. बहुत घूमना पड़ता है, बहुत चक्कर करना पड़ता है, बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेशन आता है. We will train you for that. I always tell a story. I will tell you that story also. पूना बॉम्बे एक्सप्रेस हाईवे हो, BMW कार हो, एक्सेलेंट ड्राइवर हो, वन वे ट्रैफिक हो. What is so great in driving 100 km/h? Any idiot will do that. महात्मा गांधी रोड हो, पुराना अंबासिडर कार हो, peak traffic हो, and if you drive 20 km/h, you are the winner. So situation is not that halka. You have to train your mind. Now let me come back to you. Specialization. Everybody is having their mind. Which is the best specialization? You see, management science is a situational science. Sometimes business, there was a heavy demand for system batch at one point of time. The latest demand seems to be for analytics. Analytics. आदित्य बिरला ग्रुप में गया, शत्रु मिश्रा बाहर आ जाता है। अभी तो तुम्हारा इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत बड़ा हो गया, नाम हो गया, सब कुछ हो गया। 120-30 स्टूडेंट को प्लेस करना मुश्किल है, तो मुश्किल है क्या? मैं बोला ये 120 नहीं है सर, मेरा परिवार बहुत बड़ा है। I have 1,000 students there. बोला हाँ। टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंस 30 लोग लेता है। 1,000 students are basic. Yes sir. बिल्कुल तो एक चीज है, एक ही प्रीमी मैं बोला ये देखो सर, पहला साल का ये बैच है, दूसरा साल का ये है, तीसरा इतना हुआ है। अच्छा, I can't believe this. Then he called his secretary and he dictated a letter to all the Aditya Birla Group company. You must visit Balaji Society. देखिए बहुत सारा एफर्ट क्या हो रहा है, 1000 स्टूडेंट होना हमारे लिए हमारा ताकत है। कंपनी जा रहा है, lot of companies are coming to us. उनको मालूम है वैसी इंस्टीट्यूट है तो उधर मिल जाएगा, उधर नहीं तो उधर मिल जाएगा। इट्स अ मॉल, मॉल में माल मिलता है। All specialization under one roof. Company, see remember, एक कंपनी आता है और 10 लोग आते हैं, उसको फ्लाइट टिकट मिलेगा ना, एक उनका कॉस्ट टू कंपनी, देयर कॉस्ट, होटल में रहना 2 दिन, वो लोग पूरा दिन प्रोसेस करता है, sometimes 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and after seeing so many people they get 3 hours, 4 hours. ऐसा सिलेक्शन टफ है। So what we are saying is, sometimes people say 100-200 होने से उधर प्लेसमेंट हो जाता, नहीं होता। 7.5% MBAs are only placed, and you all are in this 7.5%, my dear friends. And we are total transparent, publicly हमने डाला हुआ है, काउंट किधर प्लेस हुआ है, उसमें से प्रॉब्लम है। हम हमारे पास जो कंपनी आता है, बाकी लोग हम डिस्क्लोज कर देता है, इसलिए बाकी लोग कॉलेज पर जो था उधर जा रहा है, हम उनके सामने हैं, हम उनके दाहिने हैं, हम उसके बाएं हैं, हमारा बच्चा भी देखो, तो हमारा उसका रिस्क भी इन्वॉल्व है। As I was saying that I am going, or as Vidyu goes, Suresh goes, you know, all directors go to the company to market you. और मैं उनको, मुझे वही सवाल है, देखो सर, तो ये तुम्हारा देखते हैं, सर आप आने जरूरी है क्या? देखो सर, मैं लड़की वाला हूँ। फेल इसलिए हुआ, I had very good friends in those days. दारू पीना उसी उम्र में ही शुरू हो गया। क्योंकि अच्छे दोस्त हैं ना। Ladies and gentlemen, you are not going to decide your future. Your friends are going to decide your future. This is a 75 years old man लाइफ में देखा आपका दोस्त अगर कुछ पढ़ाई का इंटरेस्टेड है, कुछ खेल खेल का है, वो क्या बात करता है देखो, वो छोड़ करके। और एक बात है, मैं बार बार बोलता हूँ, if you follow this mantra, you have taken a big step towards your success. What is that mantra? वो तो है। नरेंद्र मोदी जी रात को 9:30 बजे अपना मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ कर देते हैं। देश का प्रधानमंत्री, मगर आजकल का यूथ 10 बजे के बाद बात करना शुरू करता है। ऐसा क्या बात करता है, वही गॉड नोस। मार्केट रिसर्च का वो सब्जेक्ट का वो क्या है, ऐसा पूछता है क्या? वो आज जो प्रोफेसर पढ़ा रहा था, जब प्रोफेसर वाज टीचिंग, व्हाट डज इट मीन? कैन यू टेल मी समथिंग? नो। I tell you today, you take this mantra. If anyone gives you a call after 10, you should say, ये मेरा दुश्मन, तुम मेरा बर्बादी चाहते हो, तुम इसलिए मुझे अभी फोन करते हो, तुम मुझे फंसाना चाहते हो, और करके मोबाइल स्विच ऑफ कर। ये आदत आप बना दें, थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट तो होगा। Father will not call you at 11 o'clock. Mother will not call you at 11 o'clock. Your brother will not call you at 11 o'clock. Your sister will not call you at 11 o'clock. Who will call you at 11 o'clock? I failed in SSLC because of my friends. बहुत लोगों का लाइफ बर्बाद हुआ है। ये जो डिसिप्लिन है, डिसिप्लिन is about lifestyle. Everybody have a lifestyle. Good people have some lifestyle. Bad people have some lifestyle. These are people who believe in luck. They are not constructive thinkers. They don't complete their studies every day, but they want 1 lakh salary. Experienced man, I am saying. I don't know how many of you are going to follow. But again, this is story. एक गाय, एक ब्राह्मण औरत का गाय घूम रहा था कहीं। वो गांव वाला देखा है, ये तो अपना पंडितानी का है, वो गाय को पकड़ के ले रहा है और पंडितानी को बुलाया, मैडम आपका गाय बाहर घूम रहा था, बाहर जा रहा है, मैं लेकर आया। पंडितानी बोलता है गाय मेरा है, तुम्हारा क्या परवाह है, कहीं भी जाए हो। तो हमने बोल दिया है बांध दो। अभी आप बोल सकते हैं सी हम यूथ, आई नो एवरीथिंग। हमको ये फ्रीडम नहीं है क्या बात करने के लिए, ये भी नहीं आता थी। आई एम वेरी गुड इन दिस, आई एम लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, आई हैव मसल्स, मुझे जॉब मिल जाएगा। महाराष्ट्र में ऐसे सबको मिलता है, तो हमको भी मिल जाएगा। लेकिन आई गो बैक टू व्हाट्स द नेम, कोबिका। सी जो अच्छे काम करते हैं, कंस्ट्रक्टिव रहते हैं, दे रीच ग्रेटर हाइट। आप लोग नई बात की, तो ये आप लोग कर